Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. In this video, we're gonna talk about all the aspirants preparing for the MBA CET examinations for the year 2023. Guys, as we all know that there is already a lot of competition in the MBA CET. The seats are less, the colleges are limited and the aspirants are ever growing. So it's very common that the cutoff will be high as well as the competition is always increasing. So how to prepare for the MBA CET? And also if you are in your final year of graduation, which is your 15, how to balance your final year of graduation preparations along with the MBA CET preparations. Don't worry guys, we're gonna look at some of the best study materials which will help you score good and secure a seat in any of the top colleges in Maharashtra that accept the score of MBA CET. But before we move on, if you're preparing for the year 2023 or 2024, we have already launched the batches where you get live classes and classroom sessions, books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You get 10,000 plus questions to solve and you get a proper mentorship. And as per the selection process of the colleges, you will also be guided for the GED, VAT as well as the PI, which is your cap round program. Along with the CET, you can also target for the CAT, SNAP, ZAT, IIFT and other various MBA examinations. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can always visit our centers Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live classes and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455 or else you can visit the official website www.manualedu.com for more information. Now let me take you straight to the official website of Manual Education and guide you how you can get yourself some of the best study materials through which you can make sure that you end up with a seat in any of the top colleges in Maharashtra. Alright, so this is the official website manualedu.com. Click on buy online, click on MBA entrance, scroll down a bit, you get 4 different tabs, all of this being for your self-study materials. Click on full course, click on show packages, scroll down. So here you get the MBA CET self-study program for the year 2023. Click on view details, you get 366 video lectures, 60 handouts. Click on syllabus, you get quantitative aptitude, geometry, mensuration, algebra. In short, the whole syllabus is covered under this. If you want to prepare through books, go back, click on book study materials, click on show packages. The second tab, which is dedicatedly for the MBA CET examination, click on view details. You get quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English and data interpretation. This is the set of hard copies of the books. If you want to order it, simply click on add to cart and it will get delivered to you within 7 working days. Pan India level. If you want to prepare through the ebooks, check out the other program. Click on view details. Again, you get quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, English and general studies. So this set of the books is for the ebooks. You can prepare through that as well. If you want to prepare through the single subject books, if you're weak in quantitative aptitude, reasoning and English and you want to work on it, you can buy these books. The first one being quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English and general studies. So you can order any of the books and start preparing. If you think you are weak in a particular section and you want to work on it, so click on sectional courses, click on show packages, scroll down. So here you get quantitative aptitude, DIDS and DC, English and verbal ability, logical reasoning and GK and current affairs. So you can choose any of the particular program as per your convenience and start with your preparations. If you haven't started off with your preparations, like I said, the competition is very tough and the competition is only going up. Mock test plays a very important role in your preparation. Be it any stage of your preparation, mock test does play a very important role. So click on mock test, click on show packages, check out the second one, click on view details. You get 10 mock tests. Start with your first mock test. There's no harm in trying with the mock test as it will give you a clear picture where you stand and how you should proceed with your preparations. So guys, make sure that you prepare in such a way that you always end up with any of the top colleges, any of the top B schools in Maharashtra. So as usual, if you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can always visit our centers at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455 as usual. Do follow us on Telegram, Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.